Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make passive income selling digital products 2026. So guys, I need to say this, but you don't need inventory, shipping, or customer support calls to make money online. In this video I'll show you how to make passive income selling digital products in 2026 step by step. So your first step is choosing a profitable niche or choosing a profitable digital product. Basically, you can start with products that people already buy. Basically, ebooks, templates, checklists, and some, courses or mini guides. Your rules should be they solve a clear problem for one audience. So if you have a bunch of readers or people who are into comics or stories, your story should be captivating and not boring. So you're solving the problem of boredom with your content. Now, the next thing is creating your products fast. People tend to overthink, and overthinking causes delay. And when you overthink, you then begin to lack motivation, and that is not what someone who wants to make passive income selling digital products does. So, create your product fast. You can use Canva for designs, you can use Google Docs for content, and then ChatGPT for outlines and drafts. So, basically, ChatGPT can cover everything here, but I would prefer you use Canva as the main source of your digital creations, as Canva is one of the best platform when it comes to digital art or NFTs or anything that involves designing. It's the head of designing for the websites or for websites in general. All right, so like I said, simple beats perfect, but most products fail because people never finish them. All right, now moving on, host and sell automatically. So you can use platforms like Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, or System.io, which I would prefer you use Gumroad, as Gumroad has one of the best commissions. So you could just try Gumroad. It's a really good software. They offer wonderful services, and anyone can earn their first dollar online. Just start with what you know, see what sticks, and get paid. It's that easy. So Gumroad is an e-commerce platform that allows creators to sell products directly to their audience. The platform was founded by Sahil in 2011 and is based in San Francisco. So basically, um, you can browse over 1.6 million free digital products, and you could get $0.5 per transaction. All right, but moving on, host and sell automatically with platforms like Gumroad, where you simply upload your products, set prices, and get the checkout link. The delivery is 100% automatic. And now your next step is driving traffic for free. So the best free traffic sources in 2026 would be TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, and Twitter. So you can use these platforms to post your problem focused content and then send viewers to your product links. So basically, you can actually create a problem and then solve it using the same social media strategy you used to share the problem. And now your next step is turning it into passive income. So once something works, you can now repurpose your content. You can repurpose your content, you can then begin automating your emails and then adding upsells or bundles as well as discounts and seasonal reduction in prices. And to show you a bit of what I'm talking about, let's say you want to get signed up, just go ahead and open up Gumroad. So Gumroad is a really good platform for people looking to sell on to sell passive. Gumroad is a good platform if you're looking to sell some of your digital products. It's one of the best platforms you can find out there. All you need to do is sign up for Gumroad. All right, guys. So once you're on gumroad.com, just simply use the start selling option to begin selling on Gumroad. So we can go ahead and open this in a new tab. But if you scroll down and continue, you can see some certain things about the Gumroad platform, like how you can sell anything. So digital products is what we're looking to sell. So you can make your own road, whether you need more balance, flexibility, or just a different gig. We make it easy to chart a new path. Now, if you scroll a bit more, you can see the option to sell to anyone. So they listed it here themselves. So you can go from 0 to $1. and make use of automated workflows. Let your customers pay in their own currency, and then choose between one time recurring or fixed length payments in your currency of choice. And then you can sell anywhere. So if you want to list your products on Etsy, Printify, or even Shopify, you can do that. And then instead of building a company, you can make sales basically. And all these great ideas you have, they have a structure here that works for them. All right, so like I said, just head over to the sign up page of Gumroad and simply sign up for the Gumroad platform. That way, you get to experience how you can make your massive and passive sales using your digital art or your digital products and gaining from them. All right, guys, so you'll be joining over 2,500 creators, and the platform has made over $1 million on just their digital products and memberships. All right, guys. So, like I said, please make sure to use Canva for your designs, and you can use Gumroad for hosting your digital products, as they offer great commissions and you can get more than what you're bargaining for if you work closely with Gumroad. All right, guys. So, comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.